This is a special nail art collab stamping, and this is Mini Me version. Either your Mini Me's chose the colors or they did your nails, and the theme is either green or St. Patrick's Day.
You're on air.
Welcome to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back. So this is a Mini Me collab hosted by Chris, and the theme is green or St. Patrick's Day. So on my ring finger I have this pretty gold polish from Zoya called Kerry, and on the other nails they're gonna be green. I painted one already so you guys can see, and it's from Zoya as well as in the shade Close It, so it won't fall out. That's not the shade name. Put it upside down so you can see the name.
It's Evergreen.
It's Evergreen. You're not in frame. Here. You're not even... Okay.
Wait.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, there. Evergreen. Okay, so she's gonna paint the other two nails. So she's gonna do everything. So little shorty is taking over MAENAILDESIGNS channel. All the way down. Let this dry and then go for another coat.
So now we're gonna step into the stamping, and the stamper that I'm using is the stamping plate that I'm using is BP117, and we're gonna use this design right here.
Okay.
But on the ring finger we're gonna use this design.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay, I had it to my pinky now. Wait, let me zoom in.
I need a...
There you go. Yeah, you gotta see where you're gonna stamp it. Your hair is in the way. Okay. Oh, sorry. Push it all the way down. It don't... Okay, good job.
I plan to go.
So that's how it came out. Now let's do the other nails. There. Did it pick up good?
Yeah, I picked it good.
That goes on the middle finger.
Wait, I need to see where I want to design.
Push it all the way down. All the way down. Keep going.
What?
Keep.
Is it hurting you?
No. You gotta make sure the design get everywhere. Okay.
You see me?
There goes the other one.
I'm rocking it.
You're
that
rocking it?
game.
Okay. She just said she got game, guys.
You're recording?
Yes, it's recording. There.
Ooh.
Okay, go. Remember, push it all the way down. Sorry. Push it all the way down. It don't matter. Just keep pushing it. Let's see. Okay, lift up. Okay. Now we're gonna do the thumbnail. Do it in the bottom. Get more polish. And make sure you cover all of those spaces. Turn the brush around. Okay, scrape now.
Yeah.
Put pressure. You didn't scrape it good. There. Did you clean that?
Yeah, I cleaned it.
Okay. I didn't pick up good because you took forever. You gotta be fast.
I take time.
Girl, stamping, you can't take time with stamping. It has to be fast.
I want to a real makeup artist, not a nail artist.
Okay. I'm gonna add the polish for you so you could just scrape fast. Did you clean the stamper? Okay, go scrape. Scrape. There, pick up. Let me see.
Ooh, yeah.
Okay. Go. Make sure you cover the whole nail. Are you covering the whole nail?
Yeah.
That's it. Push down. Push it all the way down. Don't be scared.
I'm scared I'm gonna hurt you. You see, I covered the whole nail.
Yeah. We're just gonna put bling bling around there.
What is bling bling?
Rhinestones, girl. Okay, now is the flower. There, are you ready?
No.
Well, it's ready.
Okay.
Scrape. There. Oh, it wasn't even in frame, I think. Oh, there we go. Okay, how are you gonna make sure you cover the whole nail?
Okay.
This way. Hold it like that.
Oh, I got
Push
it.
it down. You're not in the camera. Go up.
Oh.
There. Now push it all the way down.
I'm scared.
Bam.
Ooh. Yeah, that's how
So now-
real nail artists do it.
That's how what?
That's how real nail artists do it.
Okay, so I'm guessing she's the real nail artist, guys. So I'm gonna clean this up and then we're gonna come back. So I added some bling bling. You know I need some bling bling
Bling, bling.
on my nails. So here is the finished results of Shorty's stamping. You wanna say anything?
Yes, I better do my work, and I did a good job, and and I had fun.
She had fun. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye.